Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video I'm going to be showing you what I got from Copacetic Cosmetics. If you're new here, hi. I do like to post all sorts of fun stuff. I do post every day and I'm just having fun with makeup. That's it. I'm sort of new to makeup. I like makeup. This is the monthly subscription box. This is the largest box. I believe it's $45 every month. I will put that in the description box below. But this is what I got. And I've already looked in here and it's all super cute stuff. I already did my makeup. I did film a video prior to this doing this makeup, but it ended up being an hour long and I really don't want to post an hour long video. So yes, here we are. So I am doing an unboxing from my Copacetic Cosmetics box. And I've already looked in here. I know what's in here and this is a great box. I'm very excited for it. Now this first thing I'm pulling out, it's moisturizing toner with algae extract, and that's the only information we have on the bottle here, but cute little bottle. I don't think we have any information in the box. No, it doesn't look like it. Okay, and the next thing, you always get a nail polish, and man, I wish I had looked in this sooner and remembered that there was nail polish, because I would have given this to my sister. But this is the nail polish, very cute, green. Very cute and green. Okay. It's like everything is green themed. Alright, the next thing we have is I believe, yes, this is a gloss. Alright. I already opened it, but. So it's a very dark green gloss. And I'm going to put it on my other hand, on my right hand, because I have foundation on my other hand. I'm going to swatch this. It's a very nice green color. I know not everyone is down with a color like this, but very nice color. If I didn't have lipstick on, I'd try it on. Okay, and then the next thing, we always get a eyeshadow palette. And this is a green eyeshadow palette. It comes in a nice little component here, and it does say the names on the back. So we have this nice little green color story right here. I will swatch these on my arm. Again, not going to be using them, well, on my hand. I'm not going to use them because of course I already have my makeup done. Very nice colors, although I feel like this should have been for St. Patrick's Day. Can't think. There we go. Okay, there we go. So we have Understory, Entangled, Poison Ivy, and Fern. Some nice little compact there. And then the next thing I got really excited for actually, and I did not put any highlighter on. So we got this greeny highlighter. Very nice. I don't know if they've done highlighters before. This does say Ceiling Vines Glow from Within highlighter. So I'm gonna grab a highlighter brush and I'm gonna put this on because it'll sort of match what I got going on. I got like this purple green weird thing going. I do like the component though, and I don't know if it can come out. It doesn't feel very sturdy. And I got this highlighter brush from Juvia's Place. I'm just going to go right in and... Well, I'm glad I didn't have any highlighter on, so at least I could try this on. So it's like a greeny gold. Well, I guess that works out. That's very nice. I like that a lot. So I do have, I mean, of course I have my Kaleidos highlighters, and at least one of those is green. But I also have a green highlighter from, I think, Black Moon Cosmetics, and that's still in the box over here, called Glowworm. I have used it before once, I think, and it's super nice. This looks very nice. Yeah, this is very nice. I I know. Okay, so I completed the highlighter and I have a special little guy with me. He's very upset right now. He does not want this on his head anymore. I don't blame you. Oh, my baby, you're just so cute. Do you want to be on TV? Sort of like being on TV. Sort of. Yeah. Anyways, this poor little guy. My husband's playing his online tabletop game right now, and the dog keeps, oh, I'm so sorry, honey. My Johnny keeps pawing at this thing. Oh, no. You wanna be on my video? He looks like a little bear. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh gosh. Here. Yeah, let's be careful of your butt. Oh, hi. Hi. Look at you. You poor little guy. Look at you. You're my little guy. He's my little guy. Look at him. He is 12 years old. Yeah. Yeah, my little buddy Johnny Mo. You're like, this is bullshit, mommy. I know. So, anyways, I got Johnny in my lap. I know. I know, honey. I love you so much, but you can't touch your butt. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know, honey. I'm so sorry. Yeah, you should go check out the video of my little... I know. I'm so sorry. You should check out the video of my dog, my little shorts video. And also, don't forget, I do have a giveaway going that is ending in a few days. So make sure you get in on that. Johnny, stop. I know. I love you so much. And I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Okay, quadruple millionth billionth times the charms, right? Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video, I am going to be showing you my No. Oh, it is. I had it right. Damn. April here. Got a hair in my head. Jesus Christ. Why am I having... So I already did my makeup. I had filmed a video of me doing this and it was sort of like a get ready with me, but I got a little scared to post it, only because I was reading stories from other people, not me. I was reading stories from other people and doing my makeup at the same time, and it took an hour, and I don't want to post an hour-long video, so I just deleted it all. Well, oops, whatever. So, anyways, yes. That baby mom.